When changing the label sensor, first thing you need to do is take off this plate by pushing up the green button and pulling out the plate.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vande scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vande scales in the past. Since 2015, Vande scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own wayprice labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vande scales wayprice labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vande scales wayprice labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your wayprice labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vande Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vande Scales wayprice labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vande Scales wayprice labeling product.
And then the label sensor that's back here, you can be able to push on it and make sure your hand is in front of this white little washer, otherwise it's going to pop out and fly out. Push on a little bit, then you go back to the other side, catch the washer, and this little rod here, you can start pulling on that. Just pull it out slowly so you don't end up taking the end off of the label sensor. Might have to work it through. And then replacing it is going reverse of what I just did. It's going back through here, and then make sure you don't forget to put the white washer back on the end, and then the plate goes on afterwards.